What I want to do is go to Santa Cruz so I can do my cards. Yeah. Oh, you really want to meet you? Shut the fuck up. No, I don't want to meet you. Fucking bitch. Pressuring me. I don't like how these cards are closed.
It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, looking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. Feeling stressed, you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. All right. It's about damn time. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight.
Get ready, here's another one from the 90s. This is how we do it. Once I rewind this mixtape with a pencil, I forgot how to do this. Hold on a sec. There we go.
Back to the 90s on Star 3.
Even your years,
was a fun one. Rembrandt's back the 90s weekend on Star 1013, and I just double-checked the release date. Matthew Perry's Tell-All Friend Addiction memoir set to be out on November 1st, by the way. Okay, Goo Goo Dolls, it's your last chance at these tickets before the top of the hour. This hour's winning word is the word music. Just pop on the website at 113.com. Very easy to find the spot where to type in MUSIC. And if you do, somebody from this hour is going to score tickets in to see our Goo Goo Dolls live. The Goos back in the Bay, taking over the Frosty Amphitheater at Stamford on September 4th. You're so winning. All right, type in music at 1013.com for your chance at this hour's tickets. Plus more on the way all weekend long right here on Star 1013.
Make this the year you go to our iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Tickets are on sale now at AXS.com.
See Halsey, Sam Smith, Avril Lavigne, Black Eyed Peas. One stage, the biggest names from all genres of music. Lionel Richie, LL Cool J,
Maren Morris, Megan Thee Stallion,
Morgan Wallen,
Nicki Minaj, Pat Benatar,
Black Keys.
Buy your tickets now at AXS.com.
Our 2022 iHeart Music Festival.
September 23rd and 24th.
T-Mobile Arena here in Las Vegas. Streamed it free on the CW app and CWTV.com.
Sponsored by The Hartford. With insurance designed for your small business, the Bucks got your back. Go to iHeartRadio.com/The Hartford to learn how to nominate your favorite small business owner for a small business grant and a bonus chance to win a trip to the iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Well, you can't beat this gorgeous California weather while the rest of the country swelters. Lows in the 50s tonight. Card light day for Sunday. Plenty of sun, high 60s to low 90s.
This report is sponsored by Wendy's Crispy Fries. Wendy's knows everyone hates cold and soggy fries, so they've changed theirs to serve them up hot and crispy all day, every day, using only natural cut skin-on fries, prepared to golden goodness and perfectly sprinkled with sea salt. Try Wendy's hot and crispy fries today at participating U.S. Wendy's.
It's Marcus from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show for AT&T Fiber. Do you want to be a gagillionaire? You've been hearing about it, but what is a gagillionaire? Fiber. This is hyper gig speed. You are living a life in the internet fast lane with the wind of super fast internet speeds whipping through your hair. Sounds like living in the gigillionaire lifestyle is pretty awesome. Be the speediest spinner in your virtual spin class, super fast internet speeds, host a watch party over the baseball season while you're treating all your friends to top-notch Wi-Fi. That's all we really want in life, am I right? Super fast upload. Downloads. Am I speaking your language yet? For me, it's about the gaming. Nobody's better than you are. You can watch more movies than everybody else. You can get your music quicker than everybody else. Fiber internet is a technology that uses fiber optic cables to connect your home to the internet, and it is extremely fast and highly reliable. Visit AT&T.com/. Great internet offers from AT&T Fiber. Limited availability in select areas.
Fine jewelry from Shane Company makes a great gift because it has so much sentimental value. It can hold a memory, carry a story, or signify a special event in your life. We design our jewelry in-house to ensure every piece is crafted to the highest standards, and we back that up with our free lifetime warranty. Whether you get a diamond necklace, a tennis bracelet, or a stunning 3-stone anniversary ring, Shane Company's classic styles, beauty and elegance that will be appreciated forever. We also have trending new styles, like our 14-karat gold zodiac charms, fun paperclip chains, luminous opal earrings and pendants, as well as a truly special limited edition collection featuring cherry pink tourmaline, sourced by Tom Shane. Make your gift even more special by personalizing it with a birthstone or an engraving. Capture your sentiment with a gift from Shane Company.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and .com.
Swing by JCPenney. The Black Friday and July deals are hot, hot, hot. Like $21.99 Arizona jeans and Home Expressions quick dry bath towels, only $4.99. Get them while they last. Or check the JCP app for an extra 30% off coupon to use across the store. And pick up curbside to make life even easier. Shopping is back. JCPenney. Offers good on select styles through 7/24. Black Friday and July deals excluded from coupon. Conditions and exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
Ever wonder what the animals at the California Academy of Sciences are up to? Well, now's your chance. Enter in for your chance to win a family 4-pack of tickets to Science Under the Sea Stars on August 3rd. Enlightening evening event for all ages. Go to the contest page at 1013.com.
Thinking about LASIK or smile eye surgery? Stanford University Medical Center is currently seeking adults to participate in a laser vision correction research study. To qualify for this research study, you must be at least 22 years of age, willing to participate in regular follow-up visits. Healthy eyes. Contact the Stanford Eye Laser Center at 650-498-7020 to see if you're a candidate. For more information, go to eyelaser.stanford.edu. Participation is limited. Call today at 650-498-7020.
When flying insects show up in your home, how do you get rid of them? Hopelessly clapping every single one? Aimlessly swatting back and forth? Hanging fly strips in your living room? Ew, ew, ew. Instead, try Zevo traps. Zevo uses light, not odor or chemical insecticides, to attract and trap bugs, working continuously so you don't have to. Zevo, people friendly, bug deadly. Now at a store near you.
Summer is here, and it's time to get your watch on for free. That's why Xfinity Rewards is bringing you our Summer of Free, a hand-picked collection of something different each week, all for free on Xfinity Flex. Whether it's award-winning movies like A Quiet Place 2, Respect, or The Lost City, or shows like The Shy and Billy the Kid, we've got everything you need to watch this summer. And don't stop there. Stream the ultimate summer soundtrack with iHeart's Real Fun Beach Radio. Save free into your Xfinity voice remote.
Enjoy saving for your next grill out at Whole Foods Market. Take 20% off all hot dogs through July 26th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop in store or online at Amazon.com/Whole Foods. Terms apply.
Did you know addiction to drugs like meth or cocaine is a disease? But getting help is. If you have stimulant use disorder, you, your family, and friends may have a lot of questions, including where to start. Choose Change California can help. Make a change today and find a proven treatment option for you at choosechangeca.org.
The joyous colors of summer are on display at Shreve.
Each happy color captured in a natural gemstone.
The iridescent glimmer and shimmer of mother of pearl whisper softly, "Let's go sailing."
The calm waters of the Caribbean shine from natural turquoise.
Topaz comes in every color of an ocean sunset.
And amethyst glows like tropical flowers.
Iolite is the violet blue of a summer storm over the Sea of Galilee.
Shreve & Company.
At 150 Post and in the Stanford Shopping Center.
You can make a difference.
For over a decade, Springboard Collaborative has coached teachers and families to set goals together, practice reading strategies, your progress, and celebrate student success. Where others see a challenge, they see an opportunity. They know that teachers and families have a shared goal to help a child gain the necessary literacy skills to access life opportunities. Springboard helps accomplish this by increasing the child's high-quality reading time at home and in school. To learn more, visit FELAmethod.org.
You can make a difference. Find out what's going on in the Bay Area. Visit 1013.com/calendar.
Star 1013 is an iHeart radio station where all weekend it's back to the 90s.
Every hour featuring even more songs from the decade of Backstreet and Britney.
Turn it up and be sure to tell us your faves on our socials at Star 1013.
More